Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create a WeChat account very easily. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to install the WeChat application on your iPhone or Android device. So if you're on an iPhone, just go to the iOS App Store. If you're on an Android, just go to the Google Play Store, and here just search for WeChat like this, and then you just have to install this application, this one right here. Just click on get or download if you're on an Android device. So let me just download this application. So till it downloads, I'm gonna tell you guys something, that this application is banned in some countries, so you might need to use a VPN, otherwise you might not be able to create an account on WeChat. So let's just wait for it to download, and then I'll tell you guys what to do next. So it has been installed, so you just have to click on WeChat, and once you're on the home page, just click on sign up at the bottom right corner of your screen, and here you can choose to sign up with your mobile phone number, or you can just sign up with Facebook or your Apple ID. If you're on an Android, you can sign up with your Gmail. So yeah guys, it's pretty simple. It will give you some simple prompts that you will have to follow. Once you do that, you can create a WeChat account. However, if the application doesn't work for you, you can use a VPN, a free or paid VPN, whatever you use, both will work. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.